Enhance your driving skills with private driving lessons in Bundoora. When I was a learner driver, finding the right private driving instructor felt like a daunting task. I wish I knew then what I know now, the importance of choosing a driving instructor who not only teaches you how to pass your driving test but also imparts valuable driving skills that stay with you for life. Bundoora is home to many skilled private driving instructors, but how do you choose the right one? English Driving School makes this quest a whole lot easier, with a user-friendly platform allowing you to compare and book certified instructors online, much superior to the traditional driving school experience.
English Driving School's unique benefits. Transparent and efficient platform. View detailed instructor profiles, ratings, and reviews to find your match. Pricing and packages. Various options are available, with discounts offered for package purchases. Instant bookings. Manage, reschedule, and change instructors conveniently. Vehicle options. Choose between automatic and manual, and learn in well-equipped vehicles. I remember my first driving lesson like it was yesterday. I was nervous but excited. The instructor at English Driving School made me feel at ease immediately. I learned about the controls, the rules, and before I knew it, I was driving around Bundoora, gaining confidence with every minute.
For new drivers, generally, 7 to 10 hours of driving lessons are recommended. For international license holders, about 2 to 3 hours of instruction is advised before attempting the driving test. For licensed drivers wanting to learn manual driving, typically, 3 to 5 hours of lessons are needed. I recall using English Driving School's vehicle for my lessons. It was clean, roadworthy, comprehensively insured, and fitted with dual controls. Learning in such a secure environment really helped to build my confidence on the roads of Bundoora. English Driving School emphasizes learning smart, safe, and easily, eliminating the hassles associated with traditional driving schools. Their wide service area in Bundoora and the surrounding suburbs ensures most learners find a convenient pickup location. In a world where driving has become an essential skill, learning from experienced, knowledgeable, and friendly instructors can make a world of difference. English Driving School in Bundoora offers an optimal blend of practical driving experience, professional advice, and friendly atmosphere to make your journey of learning to drive a pleasant one. So, next time you search for a private driving instructor near me, remember that with the right guidance, you are just a step away from becoming a confident, responsible driver. Happy driving! Remember, when looking for private driving lessons, choose a driving instructor who is qualified, experienced, and friendly, making your journey to obtaining a driver's license in Bundoora a delightful experience. So why wait? Book a driving lesson with English Driving School today.